Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sleeping.
Yes, sir.
Marvin is a Apache one only. Okay, actually Apache is of only one product, that is Apache web server and Apache Tomcat server. Then Apache started so many other things. So one of the tool is Apache Marvin is a software project management comprehension tool. So it's a project management tool. Like Marvin has a lot of libraries to build your project based on project model, object model, POM file. What is this POM file? It is nothing but a XML file. In a XML file, we have to tell, okay, in the POM file we have to tell like a how to build. What are the things are there and how to build and like this. Okay, different plugins are there for a Marvin, clean plugin like that. So many plugins are there. So we'll see. First, we have to download a Marvin. Okay. So what are the system requirement? 1.7 means JDK 7, JDK 8, like that. Minimum starting JDK 7 onwards we are using. Memory requirement are there. Approximately 10 MB is enough. So maximum 500 MB. But expect at least 500 MB is given. Operating system, any operating system you can use it. Okay, so like this, here you have to download, if you are working in this one, binary archive, and this is part, this one you have to download, not source means source code it contains, not src packages, bin packages only download. And zip means for windows, tar.gz means for linux. Okay, so this is it. So you have to download this one, click it and you will download. Yesterday we already downloaded, so then we'll go to our machine. Advantage of using a virtual machine is, what is the advantage? If something is goes wrong, still no problem. So here's a Marvin folder. Here is this one. I extracted the zip folder and keep it. This is the bin file. So this is it. So this is, you have to add it to environmental variables and home like this. Okay. So already I added yesterday. To deal with a Marvin, we need a Marvin first of all. So this is M3 home, Marvin home. You can change to M2 home or M2. I use M2, like I will change it to M2. And path also you have to add, better to add in a path. So added already. Okay. Here also I'm adding M2. Only M2. I just for fun I'm adding this folder only, not bin folder. Just this one only we have to add. Okay. Remember I put it in a M2 home, M2 like that only. And when you are dealing with Jenkins, also in Jenkins also you have to tell where is the Marvin installed, or a Marvin home directory. You have to tell where it is located. Okay. Next, you have to, first of all, to deal with the Marvin commands and all. First of all, yeah, here it is. Huh? It's, mvn hyphen version. Yeah, any place, open any cmd, any place you can type mvn version. To know what version you installed and where you installed, see Marvin home, and which Java version you are using. Okay, but if you use other than that one, if you use any other than this marvin help or marvin clean or marvin commands you are using. Like one first command is marvin clean. If you use like this, immediately it will throw a error. Where I'm putting mvn clean command, python project, right? So this python file is there inside. That is also not marvin project. Marvin basically for java project, and also support other type of projects also. We have to build based on that one. So build failure, because this is not a this folder does not contain any marvin project. Okay, marvin files libraries are not there. Okay, so leave it like this. So minimize, later we will see. First of all, how to create a marvin project manually. If you are doing it, then it is very difficult. So I am using eclipse to create a marvin project. Okay, I just open my eclipse. Next one is you can use visual studio for that one. Launch. So here marvin, so many things are there, so you can click for a marvin commands also. Actually I have a big notes is there. See, these are all things: marvin clean, compiler, compile, compiler test compile, package, install, deploy, validate, dependency tree. Like this, so many are there. This is like a marvin sheet. Like this is a link. You can, if you want, you can take the link. Okay, like this is the one. You have to read it what it is: package, test, deploy, that kind of stuff. Already I created a marvin project, but for you I will show you a fresh marvin project. Marvin web project also you can create it. Marvin Java project you can create it. Normal Java project you can create it. In my Git also I have some Marvin projects. Okay, currently it is opening. Let it open. Yesterday only I installed Eclipse, and I created two projects, and troubleshooting is also completed. So this is a normal Java project, hello world, and this is a demo Maven project. So how to create? I will show you. Very simple. Whatever the window you are getting in a starting, no problem. Go to this project window. Click on this one. Click on project. Uh, so then, so what happening here? This is slow because it's so down or somewhere. VS Code is a faster, but it is a little bit headache with that one. Yeah, okay. I am shakeless if not, this machine is not shaking. Why? That's a never trust Eclipse. The old Eclipse is very good, 8.2 something. It's a very old. I use first time Eclipse. That is very good, fantastic. Now what happening? Okay, so projects. Guys, here is a prospectus are there. So based on your project, then you have to select that prospect. So current one is Java prospectus only. See. Okay, something is displaying on the screen. So if you want to create a Java project, like Java project, if you want Java with a and build file, then you can select this one. If you want to Gradle, if you are a EJB Enterprise Java Beans, Java E Enterprise Application, Marvin application, web applications, dynamic websites, or static websites. Okay, you want to do this one, you can get it like that. Okay, this is I am creating Marvin project. Marvin, select a Marvin project. Okay, sometimes if it is not showing here, Marvin or maybe a Gradle is not showing, you have to get it from help. Marketplace is there. I will show you that one also. Uh, Create a simple project. Skip architecture type selections. Okay, because it's asking so many questions. Default location and create simple project like this. You can tell a particular location for this one. Otherwise, go with the default. Default is C users, Devops, admin, Eclipse, workspace like this. This is a default location. Simple project. I will give you other information manually. It asking for a group ID like that. Group ID, artifacts ID. Nothing. Just give some name. That's it. No problem. Okay. For example, group ID, CTS. Anything you can give. Okay. Artifacts ID. Name of your project is a nothing but a artifacts ID. What project you want to, right? Like I want to do CTS Maven project or CTS Maven. I'm saying a simple CTS Maven or Vedic Maven. Group ID is Vedic. Artifacts ID is CTS Maven. So anything you can give. Okay. Name of your project. So I'm giving same name as my artifact ID. Description you want to give description you can give. This is parent project. Like if you are anything previously available, you can give that parent one. Finish it. So this is Maven project. You know when it is going on, so automatically we are in a hurry mode. So what we will do, we'll try to open and open open. So something is going on, so that it will late. So meantime, I will try to show you. Go to help, Eclipse Marketplace, but Marvin and all these things commonly available in the screen. Okay. For example, if you want a Python, you are in a Eclipse, you want a Python, or you want to do some other things. So go to Eclipse Marketplace, type related one. You want a Git, you want a Tomcat related, or maybe you want a Docker related one. So you can add those things here. Here I am not adding anything, just already there. No, it is things are should be faster, but these things are like slow and steady, not respond. Slow and steady, not respond type. And I don't know why it is closed. Okay, update available, update now. Now I don't want to update anything. Okay, like this is a web developer tools, HTML, CSS type of project you want to develop. Like you can just click on it, install on it. If you want a Git, find the Git related things. I install enterprise one, so definitely all tools are there inside. Like this is eGit. It is already installed. It is already there inside. Like that. Okay. So next, this is a Marvin project. Here you can see um, main Java resources, test Java resources, the folder structure. This is a SRC. Under that one, main and test, and this is the target. This is POMX. Here I put a package here. If you see the package part here, what is meaning of package means different files are there. Individual files you create and do it. That is called script writing only. But when you do an application or you are doing different files for a single application purpose, so then we have to tell a package. So everything under one single folder. So like that one. Okay. So by default, this your POM files. You can see name, version, CTS main, artifacts, group, and a model version. So this is your pom.exe file. Don't worry. So I will create a new file here. So CTS, right click, new, just Java class only. Marvin is nothing but difference. It's nothing but a Java class. This is the package name it is showing, but I want to type dot com dot cts dot like this, like a domain type only. Name of the part cts, any name you can give it. Instead of typing, I click on this public void main, so automatically that will be generated. Mm, okay, so it need full name kind of stuff. So anything, I'll put my name. Anything you can put it, so nothing, no problem. Just for our practice purpose. Guys, lot of people will tell us, so you can't learn this one, you should need this one, like kind of stuff. You can learn anything. I don't like the programming. I am not the programmer also. Okay, I'm a CCNA trainer, guys. I'm teaching everything. I learned CCNA. I completed my project. Okay. um, um, I learn networking. I teach hardware, basic electronics, and then my career is turned into different things. What happened? Correct only. Okay. Anything? We know Marvin. Hello, Marvin. That's it. Right. Okay. And I completed my MCSA 2012 server. Okay. And, and then later on become practice cloud, private cloud, become a trainer for everything. Now I become a Java programmer, everything. Okay. I don't know Java, of course. No, I never say I'm a Java programmer. So, but I know a little bit. Okay, so this is thing completed. Save it, run it. Just I'm running this file only. Okay, so just I want to display an output. See, Marvin. This I run a file. That's it. But in a reality, like you can see, because it's a Marvin thing, you can click here. Okay, see, run as a Java application, Marvin build, Marvin clean, generate resources, install, test, or you can see Marvin. You want to add dependencies, add a plugins, download Java DOC, download resources, select a Marvin profile like that. It is you can see run as a Marvin clean. Then it will do the clean job. But I will do manually. So important is like this. This is created. This file it is showing here. It is created, but you can see the file here under this one also. I will just to do cleaning and then I will show you what happened. Run as a Marvin clean. Console output. It is rotating. Yeah. Red colors. So it is not understanding class path. Class is okay. Package is okay. Okay. Build success. The cleaning part is successful. Maybe I have to see remaining things. Build success. Okay. So this part completed. So um, so how to do manually? Manually means sorry. This is the project. That's it. Marvin project. Now what I'm going to do is I will take these files. So the location of the files are users, username, Eclipse workspace, CTS Marvin. I'm copying this one, put into the E drive, put it into E drive. That's it. Here it is. Yeah, here it is. Okay. This is the folder. Open the folder. So this is the your project. So CRC you can see main Java com. I mean, this is the Java file. Next test src test Java. Nothing is there. It's got cleaned always like a clean. Okay, this is form.xml file. That's it. Now what I'm going to do is I will show you how Marvin commands works on this one. So this is the folder. The folder contains a Java project which is built based on Marvin project. Marvin libraries are there like it is a Marvin project. Okay. Now came mvn clean first command. Manually I'm doing this one. How to do automatically? Then we'll use Jenkins. Okay, it's a clean command. Mvn compile compiling code. Compiler compile or a compile or compile also you can give. Green color, white colors, blue colors are good. Red colors, yellow colors may be dangerous. So this is a compiler. Yes, you see, red color is not good, not at all good. Compile, compile command is correct only. If you are getting a problem, you can debug with a switch called hyphen capital X. Yesterday also I got a problem, so no problem. When you do compile, so you can see in target classes, no classes, test, nothing. Why it is waiting for just for a compile. Because I copied from there to here, maybe because of that one possible. But I will do other things like clean, compile, test. Sorry, clean space test means clean test. So what happened? Clean means it delete previously generated data and then it will do it. So why it is showing error? I don't know. Um, should not be fail. Otherwise, I will do it from here. Marvin project. Sorry. Run clean test. First for testing also it is first doing compiling. Build failure. Checking everything now. Debugging. And still something. Some some problem is there. But this is it. Like same thing we have to do in a that manner only. So package package means actually it will generate a jar file. Didn't get any errors earlier. Stock overflow. And form file column. It's not showing any. See, this is not good. Okay, this is why it is not running as per that one. Nothing is changed. Nothing is changed. Okay, guys, it is taking too much time, and you will get a sleep only. Okay, so something that POM file configuration or something is not good. Okay, it will take a lot of time. Better you study and sleep. um, this is it.